This is a Tewell T300 Bluetooth outdoor speaker. The speaker is currently on sale on Amazon for a tad bit more than $20. And today, let's see how well it performs. As we can see, the package design is pretty bare bone. You got a cardboard box looking package, and there's pretty much no text on the box besides the model number and the branding. So we open the box. We can see a plastic holder inside. It looks like the whole thing is in this plastic container. As we take the speaker out of this cutout, we can see an accessory box on the bottom of this cutout. Inside of this bag, we find a micro USB charging cable, an aux input cable, and this very tiny instruction manual printed only in English. As we take a look at the speaker itself feels pretty solid. In front, you have a multi-function button. The plus and minus are for volume change or sound selection. On the side, we also have the power button, the aux input, and the micro USB charging port is protected under this rubber door. There's nothing on the back of the speaker, and on the other side, we have a lanyard attachment as well. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Tewell T300, where I give my pros and cons. And let's start with pros. The speaker design feels pretty watertight. The whole thing is a solid one piece. All the buttons on the speaker has no seams or gaps, as you can see. The only opening is the charging and aux import door. Even then, this rubber door is really thick and solid. I feel confident when water is in contact with the T300. It is rated as IPX5 water resistant. It's definitely weatherproof outdoors. Just don't submerge the speaker underwater or a pool. The speaker is pretty slim and sleek. It's not particularly aesthetically pleasing, but it fits in a jeans pocket quite easily. There's also different configurations of how you want the speaker to stand on the surface, or you can hang it using the included lanyard. The body of the T300 is mainly made out of this rubberized material. It's really grippy if you hold onto one. The mesh is metal. These make the T300 really easy to clean. Unlike many speakers, use cloth mesh and glossy fingerprint magnet casing, which they get dirty easily. You can simply rinse this speaker off with tap water if you ever need to. The sound quality of the T300 is definitely premium for the price tag. Sound is really clean and there's no static noise at low volume. It gets pretty loud if you want to push it. Sound distortion is also minimum at highest volume setting. Vocal is particularly crisp and accurate. Low end is present but is not in the boombox territory. You do get full sound experience, just don't expect your T300 makes your windows and floor rattle. The transmission delay is low. You can watch YouTube or movies with this speaker and have no problem with audio sync issues. And now for cons. There's really not much to complain at this price tag. From a design point of view, maybe if the backplate of the T300 is mashed, just like the front instead of a solid plastic piece, perhaps they can fit a second passive radiator on the back, therefore increase the bass response. Just a thought based on my experience. Here's a sound sample from the Tewell T300. You may use your headphones for better accuracy. Overall, for around $20, the Tewell T300 is definitely a good buying option if you're looking for an outdoor speaker that has some ability of water resistant. The sound quality of this unit also exceeds my expectation. It's a simple outdoor Bluetooth speaker that works and performs very well. If you need more information of the Tewell T300, click the link in the description below. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.